Here to discuss the volatility, Token Metrics founder and CEO Ian Ballina. Ian, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
So let's start. I realize there's more to cryptocurrency than just Bitcoin, but let's start with Bitcoin. The fact that you do have this limited supply, hearing a lot about the fact that we're in this price discovery stage for the asset class as well. Is the way to think about this, especially if you are a retail investor or somebody who's new to trading in general and this has caught your eye, you've gotten involved, the way to think about this, that at least with Bitcoin specifically, volatility is inherent to the product?
Yes, absolutely. So cryptocurrencies, one of the beauties of them is that it's very volatile. But as a result of that, there's lots of upside. Lots of retail investors and traders are joining the space because of the huge gains, whether in Bitcoin, whether in Ethereum, whether in Dogecoin or meme coins. But at the end of the day, they should zoom out and have a big picture view. Because right now, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are building the future of finance, the future of open money. And if they have that big picture, then they should hodl and think long term.
So when you talk about that, and we were having this conversation about DeFi in general earlier on in the show, I mean, I've heard a lot of the arguments, especially with companies that are holding Bitcoin, for example, on their balance sheets, that they see this as digital gold. It's a hedge against inflation. It's a hedge against loose monetary policy that is over the long term devaluing the dollar. Is that not the key argument for these cryptocurrencies? Is it DeFi and blockchain and the applications to financials more broadly?
Yes, I mean, so DeFi is a huge market. Decentralized finance is, in my opinion, building the new internet. It's building open finance. What does that mean? If we go back and look at the dot-com era, we had big companies like Google, Yahoo, Amazon, eBay. This was the first generation, the first wave of the internet. Then we had Web 2. This was basically social media, connecting people on the internet. We had YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and now we have Web 3, taking those online communities and giving them entire ecosystem and currency to transact and be able to exchange value between two people with trust. So we view cryptocurrencies and this entire space as not just open finance, but as the next evolution of the internet. And when you have that big picture, then you can see the value of crypto assets.
So then what becomes most attractive for somebody who maybe is willing to hodl, as you put it, and is willing to live with the volatility in this asset class right now? Is it Bitcoin? Is it Ether and Ethereum? Or is it something like the meme coins, which, I mean, SafeMoon is the one this week that's getting all the attention?
No, I mean, yes, SafeMoon and all these meme coins have lots of interest from newbies. But at the end of the day, at Token Metrics, our approach is this. We like to take a fundamental analysis approach to cryptocurrency investing. We're basically value investors. And while meme coins are fun, when the music stops playing, like happened this week, SafeMoon dropped the most yesterday. Out of all the other assets out in the crypto space, when the music stopped playing and there are crashes, because in crypto, it's a very volatile market. You can wake up and in 12 hours, your portfolio is down 40%. And there's no need to go chasing meme coins when you can find similar type returns in products that will still be around in 5 years. So products like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance BNB token, which launched back in 2017, has delivered almost 10,000x returns. So why go chasing meme coins and take on that additional risk when you can find similar projects that will still be around and give you even better returns long term? Now, at Token Metrics, we have a very contrarian approach. We think Bitcoin is great technology, but we think Bitcoin's days are almost over. Because Bitcoin was designed to be digital cash, but now it's becoming just purely a store of value. It's becoming digital gold. And the gold market cap is, let's say, 10 to 12 trillion. But if we look at crypto assets as being the next internet, as through DeFi, that's happening on Ethereum. DeFi went from $1 billion to $65 billion in total assets in just 12 months.
All right.
That's just purely on Ethereum. And all of DeFi is over $100 billion, and that's happening throughout all of crypto. But half of that is happening on Ethereum. Ethereum has almost 10 times more monthly active developers than Bitcoin.